Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It helps other people know when I'm posting videos. Well, today we're going to be making another recipe. It's a short little video that we're going to be doing. Today we're going to be making zucchini, and we're going to be roasting it in the air fryer. Haven't done that before with zucchini. But we're going to take a fresh garden bought zucchini from one of the local farms, rinse it off, chop off both ends. We're going to chop it into small chunks. We're not going to peel the zucchini because the peels are the best and most healthiest part of the vegetable. And what we'll do is we're going to make a glaze. What we'll do is take in a bowl, we're going to put a couple of tablespoons of avocado oil, salt and pepper to taste, a little garlic powder, onion powder, and then we're going to put a little bit maybe about a half a cup of, or about a quarter of a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to put that right on into the mixture into the bowl. And once we get that all incorporated, then we'll put the zucchini in. We'll get it coated really well, and then we'll pop that into the air fryer. Now on my refrigerator, I have a instructional list about what temperatures to put these cooking times, and so I'll take a snapshot of that, and we'll try and go according to that and see how well it comes out. And if we need to add more time, we'll add more time, because remember, all other times vary. And I love zucchini and I love vegetables, and honestly guys, we're in the summer months, and now's the best time to buy all this fresh fruit and vegetables from your local farms. It helps support them. And I'm certainly no different. I love supporting our local farm and our community, and I do the best I can in volunteering. But anyways, without further ado, let's go right into the video. We'll come back and we'll talk about it, and that'll be a side dish for later on. Probably tomorrow we'll have some ground beef hamburger and that, or we'll figure out what we want for a side dish. But again, don't forget to like, share, and smash that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's go right into the video. And this time we're just going to have music, and we'll come back and talk about it. Okay, that's about at the halfway mark. In fact, it is at the halfway mark. So we're going to let that continue cooking. Hi guys. Well, here's our roasted zucchini that just came out of the air fryer. It's nice and toasted and crunchy. And you can see it's nice and golden brown. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, today we made zucchini in the air fryer for the first time. So what I did was I cubed the zucchini into chunks. Put it in a bowl with a little bit of avocado oil, 2 tablespoons, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper to taste, and then probably about just a few tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, the grated kind. Pop that in the air fryer for 12 minutes, and this is the final product. What do you guys think, huh? With a taste test? This is really good, guys. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll be making more videos like this as time goes on.